Hello everyone, my name is Roushanak and today we are diving into visual blocks, a powerful tool that's changing the way we interact with code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, visual blocks offers a more intuitive and visual approach for coding. So, what are visual blocks? Visual Blocks for ML is a Google Visual Programming Framework that lets you create ML pipelines in a no-code graph editor. You and your users can quickly prototype workflows by connecting drag and drop ML components, including models, user inputs, processors, and visualizations. Now let's see what you can do with visual blocks. Visual blocks offer a powerful and versatile way to build various applications, particularly those that leverage machine learning capabilities. Here are some key areas where visual blocks shine. First one, I say machine learning pipelines, because you can easily construct and experiment with machine learning pipelines by connecting pre-built blocks for data processing, model training, and evaluation. Another one, as you can see, lots of different projects are shown in this page, is multimedia applications. Visual blocks simplify the creation of interactive multimedia experiences that integrate features like image and video processing, body language detection, and more. Another one very interesting is real-time applications. You can build applications that react to real-time data and user interactions. This is particularly useful for developing chatbots, recommender systems, and other dynamic applications. Next, I say prototyping and experimentation. You can quickly prototype complex ideas and test different machine learning approaches, compare them without needing to write extensive code. And lastly, I say educational tool, because visual blocks provide a fun and engaging way to learn about machine learning concepts, making them ideal for beginners and non-programmers. As you can see, visual blocks provide three core components: a library of nodes representing server-side models, in-browser models, and pre- and post-processing visualizers; a visual editor where you can create your graph by connecting nodes with matching inputs and outputs; and a runner that runs the graph and displays the output of all or specific nodes. Now let's get hands-on and build a project using visual blocks. Here is how to get started. First, open a web browser and visit visualblocks.withgoogle.com. And if you have existing projects, click My Projects to access them. And for a new project, click Create Project and give it a descriptive name. We'll use the visual blocks interface, as you can see here, to build something exciting. Great, now let's create a simple project to explore the capabilities of visual blocks. We'll build a pipeline that processes images using segmentation models. So first, I choose an input node and select image input. As you can see, there are some default images. Once I drag and drop the image input block, it appears in the output section as well. So to upload your own image, click Allow User Upload and select your desired picture. For now, I'll choose one of the default images. Next, let's explore what we can do with our image. From the Processor section, I'll select the Image Editor node, which requires an input and can have multiple outputs. In the Output section, you'll see option to crop, resize, blur, or apply other edits to the image. To visualize the changes, we can compare the edited image to the original one. Now, I'd like to apply a segmentation model to the blurred image. I'll select the body segmentation node from the model section. This node requires an input image and provides the segmented mask as output. To visualize the segmentation, I'll use a mask visualizer node, and this node requires both the original image and the segmented mask as input, and it displays the result. You can experiment with different images to see how the pipeline performs. Additionally, you can try using multiple images or applying various models and processors to create your own unique application. Don't forget to check out the community contributed pipelines for inspiration. Great! So as you saw, visual blocks can be a valuable tool in your toolkit. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with visual blocks.